Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set an emergency contact in the Indeed Flex application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the My Settings button, and then at the General section click on the Account Settings button, and then just click on the Emergency Contact button. So in order to give an emergency contact, you need to provide a full name, a daytime telephone number, and the person's relationship to you. And then just click on the Save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.